Hey, what's up guys, Conor here. So today we're going to be doing a water pump on this 2015. Alright, so this is pretty simple to remove. So obviously undo the AC compressor connector, take the 10 off right here, then take this off, then take the 12 off. And I like to put it back on there so I don't lose it. And then we're just going to undo this 10, and boom, this wire's free. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this coolant reservoir out of the way, and then you're going to put a 17 that stub right there and pull it towards you, and as you can see it loosens the belt, and go ahead and pull the belt off. Taking the belt out of the way, you're going to go ahead and take the alternator off. So the 14 right there, and then there's another 14 down here somewhere. Right there. To be behind the tensioner, so let's go ahead and take the tensioner out of the way first. So to do that, you're going to put a hex 8mm into this hole, and then you need to take the 14 off the bottom of the auto tensioner right here. Alright, so now we have the alternator out of the way. So now we're going to do the water pump. They're 10mm. Once you take the 6 bolts off of the old water pump, you're going to go ahead and stick a screwdriver about right here. Make sure you have a catch pan ready, because a lot of water is going to come out of the car. And then go ahead and put the new water pump, and put these 3 bolts on first, and then put the other 3 on that are behind the bolts. Alright, after you have those 6 bolts tight, we're going to move ahead and put the alternator in. On the alternator, there's this kind of metal piece right here that sticks out. You don't want to hit this back with a hammer very lightly, just enough to get it flush with this edge. Once you do that, the alternator will go in easy. If you don't do that, the alternator may be difficult to reinstall. Once you have the alternator on, you're going to go ahead and install the old tensioner. So after you have the tensioner on, everything's tight, so I 8 hex and the 12 for the auto tensioner on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and route the belt. I found it easy to take the wrench and put it here and kind of keep the loose belt here. That way when you go and pull this pulley back, you can just slip it over it. And then after that, make sure the belt is routed correctly inside the compressor and all the other pulleys. And you're done. Go ahead and put this wiring back. In, and then start the car and turn the heater on.